Welcome to ABC, where study rules. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello friends. We will discuss most important MCQs on Indian Polity and Constitution. Part 1. Presented to you by ABC. Please like, share, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start.
Hello viewers. Today we will discuss most important MCQs on Indian Polity and Constitution. So here we start. Question number 1. A federal structure for India was first put forward by the option number 1, Act of 1909, option number 2, Act of 1919, option number 3, Act of 1935, and option number 4, Act of 1947. The answer is Act of 1935. Question number 2. Which of the following exercised the most profound influence in framing the Indian Constitution? Option number 1, British Constitution. Option number 2, U.S. Constitution. Option number 3, Irish Constitution. And option number 4, the Government of India Act 1935. The answer is the Government of India Act 1935. Question number 3. How does the Constitution of India describe India as? Option number 1, a federation of states and union territories. Option number 2, a union of states. Option number 3, Bharatvarsh. Option number 4, a federated nation. The answer is a union of states. Question number 4. The system of judicial review originated in? Option number 1, India. Option number 2, Germany. Option number 3, Russia. Option number 4, U.S.A. The answer is U.S.A. Question number 5. Preventive detention means? Option number 1, detention for interrogation. Option number 2, detention after interrogation. Option number 3, detention without interrogation. Option number 4, detention for cognisable offence. The answer without interrogation. So preventive detention means detention without interrogation. Question number 6. What was the basis for constituting the Constituent Assembly of India? Option number 1, the resolution of the Indian National Congress. Option number 2, the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Option number 3, the Indian Independence Act 1947. Option number 4, the resolutions of the provincial or state legislatures of the Dominion of India. The answer is the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. So, the basis for constituting the Constituent Assembly of India was the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Question number 6. What was the basis for constituting the Constituent Assembly of India? Option number 1, the resolution of the Indian National Congress. Option number 2, the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Option number 3, the Indian Independence Act 1947. Option number 4, the resolution of the Provincial or State Legislature of the Dominion of India. The answer is the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Question number 7. From the constituent country, the provision of federation was borrowed while framing the Constitution of India. Option number 1, U.S.A. Option number 2, UK. Option number 3, Canada. Option number 4, Switzerland. The answer is Canada. The provision of federation was borrowed from Canada while framing the Constitution of India. Question number 8. Who among the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly established in July 1946? Option number 1, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option number 2, KM Munshi. Option number 3, Mahatma Gandhi. Option number 4, Abul Kalam Azad. Mahatma Gandhi. So, Mahatma Gandhi was not a member of the Constituent Assembly established in July 1946. Question number 9. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution? Option number 1, J.B. Kriplani. Option number 2, Rajendra Prasad. Option number 3, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option number 4, B.R. Ambedkar. The answer is B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution. Question number 10. India is a republic because option number 1, it is democratic country. Option number 2, it is a parliamentary democracy. Option number 3, the head of the state is elected for a definite period. Option number 4, all of this. The answer is the head of the state is elected for a definite period. So India is a republic because the head of the state, that is the president, is elected for a definite period. Question number 11. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? Option number 1, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option number 2, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option number 3, Sir B.N. Rao. Option number 4, Sri KM Munshi. The answer is Sir B.N. Rao. Sir B.N. Rao was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India. Question number 1 describes India as option number 1, a union of states. Option number 2, quasi-federal. Option number 3, a federation of state and union territories. Option number 4, a unitary state. The answer is a union of states. The Constitution of India describes India as a union of states. Question number 13. Which of the following is a feature to both the Indian Federation and the American Federation? Option number 1, a single citizenship. Option number 2, dual judiciary. Option number 3, 3 lists in the Constitution. Option number 4, a federal Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution. The answer is a federal Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution. So, the feature which is common to both the Indian Federation and the American Federation is a federal Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution. Question number 14. The Constitution of India was adopted on option number 1, 26 January 1950, option number 2, 26 January 1949, option number 3, 26 November 1949, option number 4, 31 December 1949. The answer is 26 November 1949. The Constitution of India was adopted on 26 November 1949. Question number 15. Which of the following countries have an unwritten constitution? Option number 1, U.S.A. Option number 2, UK. Option number 3, Pakistan. Option number 4, India. The answer is UK. UK have an unwritten constitution. Question number 16. Who was the President of the Republic of India who consistently described Indian secularism as Sarva Dharma Sambhav? Option number 1, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Option number 2, Dr. Zakir Hussain. Option number 3, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option number 4, Gyani Jail Singh. The answer is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan described Indian secularism as Sarva Dharma Sambhav. Question number 17. Which of the following countries has introduced direct democracy? Option number 1, Russia. Option number 2, India. Option number 3, France. Option number 4, Switzerland. The answer is Switzerland. Switzerland has introduced direct democracy. Question number 18. Who among the following was the President of the Constituent Assembly of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option number 2, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option number 3, M.A. Jinnah. Option number 4, Lal Bahadur Shastri. The answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the President of the Constituent Assembly of India. Question number 19. The convention that once a speaker, always a speaker is followed in option number 1, UK. Option number 2, U.S.A. Option number 3, France. Option number 4, India. The answer is UK. UK has the convention that once a speaker, always a speaker. Question number 20. Indian Penal Code came into operation in option number 1, 1858. Option number 2, 1860. Option number 3, 1859. Option number 4, 1862. The answer is 1862. Indian Penal Code came into operation in the year 1862. Question number 21. How many articles are there in the Indian Constitution? Option number 1, 395. Option number 2, 396. Option number 3, 398. Option number 4, 399. The answer is 395. There are 395 articles in the Indian Constitution. Question number 22. A federal structure for India was first put forward by the option number 1, Act of 1861. Option number 2, Act of 1909. Option number 3, Act of 1919. Option number 4, Act of 1935. Answer is 5. Federal structure for India was first put forward by the Act of 1935. Question number 23. When was our national anthem first sung and where? Option number 1, 24th January 1950 in Allahabad. Option number 2, 24th January 1950 in Delhi. Option number 3, 26th December 1942 in Calcutta. Option number 4, 27th December 1911 in Calcutta. The answer is 27th December 1911 in Calcutta. National anthem was first sung on 27th December 1911 in Calcutta. Question number 24. The Constitution of India came into force on option number 1, 26th January 1950. Option number 2, 26th January 1952. Option number 3, 15th August 1948. Option number 4, 26th November 1949. The answer is 26th January 1950. So, the Constitution of India came into force on 26th January 1950. Question number 25. The term caste was derived from option number 1, Portuguese, option number 2, Dutch, option number 3, German, option number 4, English. The answer is Portugal. The term caste was derived from. Thank you for watching.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.